Hey everyone, I'm Vinayak Gupta here. Let's talk about electric cars and the jokes you've probably heard. They're so quiet they sneak up on you like a ninja in slippers. Some people imagine them like a souped-up golf cart just waiting to meet its match with a rogue shopping cart. We picture these mysterious boxes of energy and wonder what happens if things go wrong. Is it going to be a scene out of a sci-fi movie? But here's the thing that might surprise you. When it comes to a heavyweight boxing match on the road, you might actually want to be in the electric corner. Forget the fragile futuristic pod idea. Many of these cars are built like absolute tanks. Engineers aren't just slapping a battery into a regular car frame. They're fundamentally rethinking how a car is constructed from the ground up. An EV's battery pack creates an incredibly low center of gravity, making these cars much less likely to roll over. Think of it like trying to tip over a Weeble Wobble. They wobble, but they don't fall down. This inherent stability gives drivers more control during emergencies and reduces the risk of the most dangerous types of accidents. So how do we know these cars are safe? They have to prove their mettle in brutal tests run by organizations like IUHS and NHTSA. It's like a gladiator arena for vehicles, where only the strongest survive with top safety ratings. These aren't simple mannequins. They're sophisticated instruments packed with hundreds of sensors. The data tells engineers exactly what would happen to a human in a similar crash, separating 5-star ratings from failing grades. For electric vehicles, there's extra scrutiny on the high-voltage battery system. Does it stay intact and shut down safely after impact? These cars are tested not just for crash protection, but also for any risks from their powerful electric powertrains. Take the Rivian R1T, an all-electric pickup that recently aced IUHS tests, earning the coveted Top Safety Pick Plus award. This 7,000-pound vehicle's immense strength and smart design protected occupants exceptionally well in every crash scenario. Without a big engine block up front, engineers have a massive empty space, the frunk, that acts as a giant programmable crumple zone. It's designed to fold and collapse in a specific way, absorbing crash energy like a giant pillow before it reaches the people inside. Imagine you're driving your family in a Tesla Model Y when a driver runs a red light. The reinforced body structure and low-slung battery pack resist cabin intrusion, while side curtain airbags deploy in milliseconds, and the computer shuts down the high-voltage system. The incredible safety isn't just about crash protection. It's about technology that prevents crashes from happening in the first place. Features like automatic emergency braking can detect potential collisions and apply brakes faster than any human could react. It's like having a co-pilot with lightning-fast reflexes, whose only job is watching out for danger. These systems use cameras, radar, and LiDAR to build a 360-degree picture of the world, constantly scanning for threats. The ultimate goal is zero traffic fatalities, and while that seems ambitious, rapid advancements in both passive and active safety show it's worth striving for. So next time you see a silent EV glide by, remember, you're not just looking at the future of transportation, you're looking at the future of automotive safety. What surprised you most about EV safety? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more surprising tech deep dives.